Hey, everyone! Today, I'll show you a quick and easy method to disable recommended videos on the YouTube app. If you're tired of the constant suggestions and want a cleaner YouTube experience, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open the YouTube app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap gear icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. In the menu that appears, tap on the option labeled Your Data in YouTube. This will take you to a screen where you can manage various settings related to your YouTube account. And it will land you on the interface where you can make changes to your account settings. Scroll down until you find the option that says Manage your YouTube watch history. Tap on it. In this space, you'll see a list of all the videos you've watched on YouTube. To disable recommended videos, you need to clear your watch history. Tap on Delete at the top right corner of the screen. Now, to ensure you're starting fresh, tap on Delete all time and then confirm by tapping Delete at the bottom right corner. Your watch history has now been successfully deleted. And there you go. By clearing your watch history, you've effectively disabled recommended videos on YouTube. Now, the app won't suggest or recommend any videos based on your viewing history. Enjoy a cleaner YouTube experience. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button. And hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.